Hey YouTube, Shelka04 here. So today I'm going to work on the fuel filter and ultimately replace the gas tank. This is going to be probably a multi-part video. If you know anything about these vehicles, you know the fuel filter is nowhere under the hood. It's actually up underneath there, and we'll go there in a minute. I just want to talk to you and give you an idea as far as what's going on. I replaced the fuel filter about a week and a half ago, and I was really unhappy with the setup that I inherited. And so I did a little thinking, and I went to talk to the guy at AutoZone, and I'll show you what we came up with in a minute. But basically, I'm going to replace the fuel filter. While doing that, I've got to drop pressure on the system, and then at some point, I'll start draining the fuel tank, and then replace the fuel tank. So let me give you an idea as far as what the fuel filter looks like. You see it here? First off, it should be tucked back into this protective frame more. And then, again, this is the setup I inherited. I wouldn't have done this piece of crap. It's got these brass plumbing fittings with some Teflon tape and a rubber connector to the steel line. It looks like this is a replacement line because I think the old line should have gone in there and maybe up in here. And then the other thing is, and I don't know if you can see it anymore, but that's the old line there. So somebody replaced the fuel line from about there to here. Did a kludge job, like you can see. I'll probably have to hammer this out and spliced it in back there. So let me get out of here and we'll go over to the goodies. So again, as I said, it's got plumbing fittings and some rubber hose and some hose clamps, and it's worked for the last 130,000 miles, or probably less whenever they kludged it, but it's not right. So anyway, this is the old fuel filter, just so I could have something to mock up. And this is a 14, hang on. I guess I tighten those up. This is a 14 millimeter. What? It's who?